Good morning from a beautiful, sunny, Kettleby, say it right Andrew, Lakes caravan site. Today we're going to go into Stamford and probably around Rutland Water, so if you want to join us, please carry on and watch this video and we'll see you later on. Right, we're down by the side of the river at Stamford. There's a few road closed and diverged. We managed to find somewhere to park on a back street, so we couldn't find the car park, but we lost the signs for the car park. We'll walk down the side of the river and we'll explore Stamford. Beautiful day as well, isn't it? Eh? Yeah, there is, isn't there? It's certainly like bright, that sun, isn't it? It is, certainly a low sun. Don't know. That's the car park. Yeah. But this road ain't used as quite as this. Since they've closed it off. Yeah, it's similar stone to what's in Cotswolds, isn't it? Yeah. You can't see properly because it's sun. Sun's that low, isn't it? Some good old properties though, isn't there? Look how low doors are on them. Don't know. See, I've got some town centre parking if you know where to go.
Yeah.
It's as good as we're going to get for church. Road closed. Church bells. It is cold out, it's on. So we are here.
Got the bus station. Is it right? It's All Saints. Is that what we've passed into?
I ain't got a clue. Just doesn't tell you what that is, does it? It's ornate carved anyway, isn't it? It's got all... Yeah, it's got some really intricate carving on it. I don't know what it resembles or what it's for. Yes, it's certainly a bright, low sun. Well, enough church spires, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah. Goats and... yeah, they are geese, aren't they? Lovely little place. Well, it's a shame about the sun being a bit low. Can't really get any good pictures. We'll have a walk to bridge and see if we can get one of the bridge over the river. Lovely view behind though. Right, so here we have the bridge. Not sure what river it's on. We'll have to find that out. Right, so you got two light rivers coming down. So this was the site of Stamford Castle, supposedly. Old bathhouse down there. So this is the short stay car park then, isn't it? Pizza Express across the road anyway.
Yeah.
Just little alleyways, aren't they? Little alleyways everywhere. Yeah, I know. Proper old alleyway. St Mary's Passage. It's a busy road through. I don't know, plenty of barbers, isn't there?
Yeah.
Barbers and hairdressers, yeah. Yeah. Cross road while we can. It's certainly a busy little place, isn't it? Yeah. Ace Travels. Crew Clothing Companies. Well, you made it to Stamford. That's Ironmonger Street.
Reminds me a bit of Shrewsbury a bit.
Shrewsbury, yeah, it does, yeah. The scaffold firms are busy in Stamford, aren't they? Everywhere you go, there's scaffolding going up, isn't there? Yeah. It's a lovely little place, Stamford. That's certainly starts out nowhere up there. We're only short in old days. A bit further up. That's definitely a school, isn't it, that? Yeah, definitely a school. Yeah, you can see them. It's a nice building though, isn't it? Yeah, it's certainly a nice building then. Nice coffee and a sandwich in the Kingscliff Bakery. Trying to work out which way we come in.
We'll find his way back.
Certainly plenty of churches and that, isn't there?
Yeah.
Chapels and churches. Yeah. Seems to have calmed down with traffic at all, isn't it? Unless this is a quieter part of road, town or something.
We've got a lovely Halifax up
Main road, yeah, they have. A model fish bar. How can you have a model one? Looks big enough to me. Smells nice fish and chips, no?
They all smell nice.
Cobble Street. Oh, Cobble Street. Yeah, certainly some old buildings, isn't there? Yeah. So William Stukeley lived there. Yes, it's certainly a maze of streets, isn't it?
Seen one of the videos it is, Stamford, but the gang that we watch, I can't remember seeing that a bit closer.
Yes, it's certainly a lovely little place, isn't it?
No, last time I said that actually we were lucky when we did because
Where?
when we went to
Winchcombe. Winchcombe.
Shrewsbury.
Yeah, Shrewsbury were lovely.
Which reminds me of all them places.
Yeah.
Pleasure to walk around down
They are. Got a Pandora there. The Pandora's there.
Right direction.
Yeah. George Hotel. They're stunning now, isn't it? How many years old they are?
It's not massive.
No, it's not a big place.
No, it's not, but it's good.
George Hotel looks very nice though, doesn't it? Oh, that could tell a tale or two.
Where the seat tables are laid up, they've got 4 wine glasses.
Yeah.
That's not going to be cheap. So 1173.
So it started 1173.
We've got a good mark.
It's now a charity run Almshouse Association, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Charity is maintained by volunteer trustees, both men and women who have lived and worked in Stamford for a number.
So it's got some history, hasn't it?
Yeah, not many.
Definitely. So that's Lord Burley's Hospital. Beautiful little houses, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like almshouses, aren't they, as well? Yeah.
Well, that's what it's about.
Yeah. Lost count of how many churches and chapels there is. Yeah. Yes, it was. It's off your tick list now, anyway, isn't it? Stamford.
I didn't realise it was close to where we were.
Yeah. Church Street. Hope you like this little walk round Stamford. If you did, don't forget to give that thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It'll help my channel grow, and it's free anyway to subscribe. And also, if you do subscribe, click that notification bell. It'll tell you when I've uploaded some more videos. So until the next video, we'll say goodbye for now. Bye.